learn about screen transitions and sound effect. If you click the transition effect on the left, the corresponding settings will appear. Please press the change button to select a screen transition effect. Now let's set up the sound effects. If you click this button to set it, the same sound effect can be applied to all scenes. Please preview the sound effects beforehand and choose an appropriate one. You can click this button to set sound effects separately for each scene. That concludes our discussion on screen transitions and sound effects.